Now, over the last 24 hours, there's been a lot of information surfacing about the SEC ban on cryptocurrency staking and the fact that Kraken settled with them to no longer run their staking platform and give them $30 million. Guys, we're going to talk about some of Gary Gensler's statements today because it is so obvious that the SEC doesn't care about retail investor protection. They care about, one, looking good because they screwed up major in 2022 with the fallout of FTX. And we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve and their stance and what they're saying about cryptocurrency right now. Let me tell you this. I am bullish on cryptocurrency in general and decentralized, but I'm starting to feel like they are going to try their hardest to push the cryptocurrency prices down to zero. And they're starting to warn us that they're going to do so. So let's discuss it. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade, you're getting $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, and send off to DeFi wallets, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. You need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet if you want it to be considered your asset. Now, guys, we've got some information. I'm going to first start with this one. This is, to me, this is preparatory of watching cryptocurrency prices go to zero. Now, I don't think that this is necessarily going to be the case because clearly crypto lives on the blockchain, and I don't see Dubai banning cryptocurrency anytime soon. I don't see, remote nations across the world banning cryptocurrency anytime soon. So therefore, there will be value on the blockchain. But I have a strong feeling that the United States government is not going to embrace this technology. We are going in a very weird direction where it's not about retail prosperity. It's not about you and I doing better in our lives. It's about 100% just dark and doom government control. And they're setting themselves up for it perfectly. Now, if you guys remember, I believe it was the end of 2021. Okay, the end of 2021, the Federal Reserve bans individual stock and ETF trading by members. What happened right afterwards? Bear market begins. A beautiful, glorious rise. And then all of a sudden, when the Federal Reserve removes themselves from any responsibility and says, we can't hold stocks, the bear market begins. Now we have members of the Federal Reserve saying, brace yourselves, because cryptocurrency has no intrinsic value, and don't be upset if it goes to zero. Listen to this. We've got an article here that says, in remarks prepared for the delivery to a Global Independence Center conference, Waller, this is one of the Federal Reserve governors. It's not, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, but it's one of the Federal Reserve governors. Waller said, so far, the spillover to the broader financial system has been minimal, and it is critical that regulators make sure to mitigate financial stability risks associated with stress in the cryptocurrency industry. So they're setting up their excuse. Right? We haven't seen much of a spillover into our beautiful fiat financial structure. You know, the one that works so well when nobody comes against it, when nobody questions it. You know, the banking system that is just built on a Ponzi scheme that we've currently got going on. If you were to go to the bank right now and try to withdraw your money, and by you, I mean everybody, it's not there. It's just an idea. It's a number on a screen, right? They know this, but they have to protect this. At the same time, he said, banks considering engagement in the cryptocurrency industry must meet know your customer and anti-money laundering requirements. They know this and they already do this. And they must ensure they monitor customers' business models and risk management systems so that the bank is not left holding the bag if there's a crypto meltdown. Okay, if the bank is lending, yeah, banks that are lending need to do their due diligence on who they're lending to, or you end up with well, banks did something very stupid in 2007, 2008, and we had a financial crisis. If they're doing the same thing now, yeah, we could end up with a financial crisis. Now, here's the part where it gets interesting. Waller had even starker warnings for traders of cryptocurrency. Okay, so forget the banking industry right now. Traders of cryptocurrency, you and I, here's our stark warning. As assets that have no intrinsic value, cryptocurrencies are risky. Okay, everybody gets that. I'd beg to differ on the no intrinsic value part, though. If people want to hold such an asset, then go for it, Waller said. However, if you buy crypto assets and the price goes to zero at some point, please do not be surprised and don't expect taxpayers to socialize your losses. I don't know anybody in the history of investing that has said, please, taxpayers, socialize my losses and give me my money back. Either this guy is so far detached from what is actually happening in the world, or I think that they are setting us up and warning us that cryptocurrency is going to go to zero based on the regulation that they have coming down the pipeline and the fact that they're no longer going to allow cryptocurrency trading. With the banning of cryptocurrency staking here in the United States, Gary Gensler is trying his best to make it sound like it's for the benefit of the retail investor, saying things like, well, you know what? The cryptocurrency platforms should not have their hand in retail's pockets using their cryptocurrency for their gain. Therefore, you should not be able to stake your cryptocurrency. Staking of cryptocurrency happens when you use it and you stake it with the validator so that they can verify the blockchain transactions. It is part of the proof of stake method that has built the cryptocurrency industry and now is a very viable part of the Ethereum blockchain. It is absolutely wild for me to see comments from Gary Gensler saying that this is for retail investor protection, that we can't stake. People made a lot of money throughout the last couple of years staking their cryptocurrency. And now we are going to see that money being made in other countries because it will be made illegal here. And it begs the question, what is next? If DeFi staking is next to be banned in the United States, what comes after that? The banning of cryptocurrency holding in general? It is opening up the floodgates because the SEC dropped the ball big time. Gary Gensler looking out for his buddies at FTX, and whatever the other guy's name was, whose niece was Caroline dating Sam Bankman-Fried. It is an absolute mess that they got themselves into. And now they are trying to cover their tracks and look like the great shiny knight coming in to save the day, and it's absolutely not the case. What's going to end up happening here is such a disparity between prosperity and growth here in the United States regarding cryptocurrency, and prosperity and growth between countries who engage and embrace cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Guys, it is a very weird path that we are walking down, but when they are warning us that cryptocurrency is going to go to zero, the same way that they warned us that stock bubbles and all of these things were happening and that they can't invest in individual securities, it almost begs me to ask the question, is this bear market, just getting started, or are we really bottoming out right now? I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on the fact that they are trying to warn us. They're going to take cryptocurrency down to zero. What do you guys think down there? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.